Okay, we're gonna do a small demonstration of how to use a semi-automatic morse key. This one is a Hi-Mound. It's a Japanese-made key. The paddle is a new one. It was made with a 3D printer. Is a copy of the original one. Of course, it's not completely finished, and I got it engraved here, my call sign. The semi-automatic key, it's not my primary key, but it's a key I like very much because it works like a all these mechanisms like a clock or something. It's very nice. The weight here, it's not the original one, and it's not heavy enough, so I have to have this additional one, and it works. It works okay, as you can see. See? So just call CQ. Okay, here's the contact. See? And the other one is this one, which produces the disc automatically. See? It's a very nice key, and I'm recovering it.